What's going on, everybody? Okay, this is an unboxing video. It's March 2021, almost April 2021. I bought the ThisWorx handheld car vacuum cleaner, mini portable cleaner with 3 attachments, a case, and a 16-foot cord. And I'm reading it on the screen, off screen, so I get the name correct. I ordered it on Amazon on Wednesday. It's now Friday. It said it would be here by Saturday. Came a day early, so let's go. I'm just going to unbox it. You're going to get to see everything you get when you order it, and we will go from there. So this is actually my first unboxing video ever on YouTube, I'm pretty sure. I've been making videos for 10 years on and off, but on different YouTube channels, but my first unboxing video ever. So I've been overly excited for a portable handheld, car vacuum. I've been so excited ever since I purchased this thing to get it, and now it is here. And here we go. This is what it looks like. Here's the box. We got some foam wrapping or bubble wrap kind of stuff. And that took up half the box, and then the actual vacuum box is right here. This is what it looks like. All right, look at this beautiful thing. Let's open her up. It's got some packaging on it. I have a Kia Sedona minivan, and that's what I bought this for. It's got a long cord. Like I said, it's a 16-foot cord, so apparently. So it'll be good for the minivan. There's a little sticker to keep the box. And it's not opening. I am impatient. I'll just use my keys again. Okay. So this is the box. Here we go. Nice little handle. And this is it. So, first off, little brush attachment. Next, we have a little mini brush, I guess, for cleaning the actual vacuum or cleaning the filter, which you get, I believe there's a filter in it already, so this is an extra filter. Boom. Clean off the filter to keep it nice and fresh. Got the hose attachment. The cord is attached right to the vacuum. Vacuum is in the bubble wrap. Now there's more to go after, but I'll show you the vacuum real quick. Boom. Nice portable little vacuum. Decent. And a really, really long cord. Like I said, it's a 16-foot cord. So no matter the size of your vehicle, you'll get it. I looked up reviews of this vacuum, and I looked up a few different ones when I knew I wanted to get one, and this one seemed to have really good reviews. And I guess I'll find out. But the light on my camera died. That's great. What a professional review. Maybe that'll make it a little better. Okay, so my camera light died, but this is the vacuum. Obviously, this pops out when you want to, you suck up your stuff, and then take this out and put the dirt in the garbage. Next, we have an owner's manual, and then yet another attachment. Here's the attachment. Goes right on the end, I'm assuming. That's cool. So for little things, here's an attachment. Makes it longer. Let's try the big hose attachment. I don't know. This side goes in. Boom. There you have it. And what I really loved about this too is, oh, what is this? This is cool. Air freshener. I did not know this Complimentary gift from ThisWorx family. Got a nice air freshener. I actually needed one for the van. The one I'm using now has been there for a while and doesn't smell anymore, so sweet. I'll put that up. And anyways, what I loved about this too is it has a nice little carrying case. And the vacuum fits inside here, I'm sure. Boom, vacuum fits inside. You can fit all the attachments in, and it looks like it has room. Will zip up, and then you're not taking up much space. You can just leave it. I plan to leave it in my van, in the trunk area or somewhere. And there we have it. Okay, so that was the unboxing part. We're gonna switch over to my van in a sec. We're gonna vacuum a little bit and see how this thing works. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, everybody, so unfortunately the video I took of me taking the vacuum out to the van and vacuuming and stuff got corrupted. I don't know what really happened, but the file's not working on my computer, and now that the vacuum is all, the vacuuming is done, I can't really, redo the footage. So let me just tell you real quick about the vacuum. I love it. I really do love it. The suction power for a small little vacuum and for the price and everything is amazing. The brush attachment head is perfect for like the material in my van and gets out the dog hair and everything. So definitely, if you're using it in your vehicle, use that brush head as much as possible to if you have for your seats and stuff like that. And yeah, the only downside really is that you have to have your car running for maximum power. You can use it without it running, but if you want the most power, you have to have the car running, which over time, if you have it on for like 20 minutes or more, it can take a little bit of gas. But I'm pretty sure that's how it is in all of these, plugging it right into your car vacuum cleaners. But yeah, I don't know. I love it. It has really good suction, really cool attachments and everything. And I couldn't be happier with this purchase. So yeah, guys, you're probably watching a video like this because you're interested in this vacuum. I would definitely 100% say go ahead and pick this vacuum up because I love it and I'm really happy with my purchase. If you want to do so, the link will be down below in the description. You can use that link. It takes you to the Amazon page of the vacuum and then you can purchase it on there. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is my very first review video on this channel, like I said at the beginning of the video, so we're going to do a lot more stuff here. If you'd like to subscribe and see what else I have in the future, please don't hesitate to do that. Alright, I'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.